Hello.
Hello, am I audible?
Yes, ma'am, you're audible.
Okay. So I guess I should tell you about my profile first.
Yes. Yeah, can you please just give me a little bit idea so that I can give you the course options accordingly for the Canada?
Okay. So right now I'm in Portugal,
Okay.
about to get my residency here. I'm here from past 3 years,
Okay.
and secondly, I'm 27 years old. In India, I was working in a school.
Okay.
I have experience of 3 years of teaching, and like I dropped my masters in between, but I have my graduation and I already have my JDT.
Okay.
Yeah. Here I'm working into sales, but it's also correlated to education and everything. So I can also provide you a European experience.
Okay.
The present situation is my fiance is in US and his asylum is rejected, and I don't want to be into any sort of illegal norms. I don't want to be there in illegal norms or something.
Okay.
So Canada is the safest option. Canada is the safest option for me, and I want something either into hospitality or into education because I feel better in these places like kids or
Um.
something. So I just want to figure out ECE or AC. I have done enough ChatGPT, but I want
Okay.
something general. Then like 4 or 5 your clients are my very close friends. They suggested, okay, contact them even if you are there. And
Uh-huh.
I also don't want to waste the time. I also don't want to waste the time. So if any way possible, I can start it on priority. Is it possible? Because I have checked there, I can do the IELTS and my focus is marketing out basically because I'm okay with French and everything. I know a few of the European languages.
Okay. Pratibha, right? Pratibha, I'll
Yes,
tell you
yes.
the one thing. I do agree that you wanna go for Montreal locations, but over there are only a few institutions who can offer you a perfect course. But rather
Okay.
than going for a Montreal, there is a one university, Trinity Western University, who offers you to do a Master of Education in Leadership course. It's related to the
Okay.
teaching as well as it's related to the sales.
Oh, great. Great.
Okay, so that is the
Which area
perfect
you want to
aligned
be?
course for you.
In which province?
But it's
In which
in British Columbia.
province? Okay. BC.
Yeah, but the teaching and education course, it's perfect aligned for you. It's like you have earlier you said that you have
That's
already
my
done your
background.
JBT and all, and you are into a sales experience which is related to the teaching.
Yes, yes,
Okay.
yes.
So, but according to that, Trinity Western University is the perfect aligned course for you. We can get the justification to the immigration. Like earlier, I have a teaching experience. Now I'm into a sales part, but I wanna do a study like that, which will give me the knowledge about either it's related to the education as
I
well to
share
the leadership.
my experience.
Yeah.
Okay. And then the course will be training, like new teacher or something if I'm
Definitely,
in.
definitely. It's related to like that. You want to open your own business, like own coaching center or your own school. So
And
this
what's
is
the
the best
PR
one for you.
situation? Because the end goal is to get my fiance then. I
Uh,
have even calculated I don't know what the exact word, I forget it.
mm-hmm.
My Canada PR score, and it
Okay.
is around 468 or something it was. I don't exactly remember.
Okay.
So I'm also taking the study
Mm-hmm.
just to be like very sharp,
No,
just to
if
be
you
very
wanna
sharp.
look
That
there, if you wanna call your fiance over there and you guys wanna do the marriage over there and he can apply for the spousal open work
yes,
permit application, so master degree is the best.
yes.
That is the best course for you.
Okay. Okay. Can you give me an round figure how much it's gonna cost? And if I started today,
Yeah.
like what are the majority documents you need from my end? Because I don't have my 12th and graduation and further degrees or
Look,
diplomas
for
here.
that,
I need to come.
to apply for the admission, we required your academics from the 10th till
Yeah.
your bachelor's degree. PDF would be the fine. It should be the cleared scan. So that we can just share those
Definitely,
documentation with
definitely.
the universities or like for the pre-assessment and all.
Okay.
But for
Okay,
that,
okay.
your overall requirement should be a
IELTS as well.
65 percentage, and for this course, we require the IELTS overall 7 bands. If you are not comfortable to go for a 7 bands course right now, you can book your seats while giving the Duolingo exam. But in a Duolingo, make sure that you score a 130.
I'm okay with 7 band. Like, 7 band is not difficult for me. But in
Okay.
my graduation, because I was also preparing for civil services, my graduation is like almost about 50% because I was not regular and I just from Open University.
Okay, so if
I
you
have very good
can.
score in my JBD.
Okay, so Pratibha, if you can give us the justification of those, like you are going, like getting your coachings for the government exams prep and all, so we can just push to the university to consider your visa, like admission application.
Okay, okay. And it will be fine if I do my IELTS test into Portugal and provide you that.
Yeah,
Is it
definitely.
same from everywhere?
It's perfectly
Okay,
fine. It's
okay.
perfectly fine. We're not going to say
Okay.
that, oh, you need to come back to the India and give the IELTS exam over there. Wherever,
Like,
at
I
any
guess, ChatGPT
country of
has
the
a
world, you
way
can.
in showing you need to pass, tell this and do this. Like, it's always
No,
all
no,
with
no, no,
documents.
no, no,
I
no,
was
nothing
scared of
like
it.
that. I know that the
Okay.
European documentation they require the postal or either APS and all, but in Canada, wherever you are in the world, you can give the language score. Okay, they are not going to judge you on the basis of your language score. Like you gave the exam, why on a Portugal? You're like soon you are getting to be your residency over there.
Like I have submitted my biometrics on July 27th, and nowadays it takes 3 to 5 months. So I'm expecting my Diwali, but if everything goes well, but late to late it will be like November or December. And I'm focusing the May intake or any that suits me.
Okay, so if you want to apply for the May 26th intake, this is a good time to apply because as of now, the visa refusal rates are quite so high. But if we are giving the so much time to the IRCC, look, I'm going for a May intake, but I have well planned for my career outcomes and everything. So this is the right time to apply for your May intake as well. Because usually Trinity Western University, they take somewhere around 30 days time to release the offer letter. So at least we need to give them the time. And in fact, you also need the time to prepare yourself for the language score and to pay the tuition fees and all. It will take 2.5 or 3 months.
Okay. Okay. Just last two things, and I will collect all the documents and will send you. What's the total process time? Like, if I started today, by which month I will be in Canada?
Okay,
Or when my
so
passport
if
or
you want to
something.
know that at which month you will be in a Canada, then it's April 26th, being the reason you cannot enter to the Canada before 28 days.
Okay.
Okay.
And what will be the cost and everything
Okay,
related
so
to
if we
this
say the
course?
overall cost and including the GST, it will cost you somewhere around 23 up to 24 lakhs in INR.
Okay. Okay.
Yeah, because the GIC is now increased and it will go somewhere around 40 lakhs, so it will cost you a bit more.
Okay. And it includes also the college fees.
Yep, definitely, dear, definitely.
Okay, and yours as well.
Yes, everything is included in 23 up to 24 lakh. Being a reason that the Trinity University fees is somewhere around $17,000. Okay, so $17,000 means somewhere around 10.5 or 11 lakh. So it will go you 23, 24 lakhs.
Okay, that's fine. That's into my budget. No worries. And the masters will be for
2 years.
2 years.
Yeah. Because if you want to call
I can submit.
Sorry?
And meanwhile, I can submit my PR or I can also do sponsorship.
Definitely. After completing your 2 years over there, you can apply for your PGWB. Because the main reason to apply for the 2-year course is your spouse, because you want to call your fiance over there. So if you want to call your sponsor over there and apply for his work permit application, so that means your visa should be more than 16 months.
Okay, great.
Yeah.
Well, thank you. I will collect all the documents, like my academics documents, and I will provide you.
Okay, sure, Pratibha.
Let me, yes, let me have words with my fiance as well. That
Okay.
these are just windows because we were doing whatever as per our knowledge, but we are not expert in this. So
No,
thank you for the
don't worry,
guidance. Have a
don't
great
worry.
day.
We are here
Thank
to
you.
help you always. Whenever any question
Thank
comes in
you.
your mind, feel free to reach me out. Okay?
Thank you. Thank you. Have a
Okay,
good
dear.
day.
Jyoti.
Jyoti. Okay,
Yeah.
Jyoti. Pleasure talking to you. Have a great day.
Same here, dear. Bye.
Bye bye.
Bye.